Hello, my name is Abayomi Adeosun. In the next series of videos, I want to take you through how to create infographics using Piktochart. Infographics helps you to present information in a graphically appealing manner. You could present complex data in a way that is very simple and easy to understand. Um, so in this series of videos, we will go through the step-by-step method or manner of creating infographics, and we'll actually create one from scratch to finish. But in this particular video, we will just go through the Piktochart platform and see what it looks like. We'll go through the tools they have one after the other, and then in subsequent videos we would go into creating the infographics itself. So we use Piktochart. Piktochart is spelled this way, as you can see right here on your screen, and it's an online software, so you have to be online to be able to use it. So you go to piktochart.com, create an account with them, and when you create an account, what you see on your screen right now is what their dashboard looks like. Okay, so on the left side here you can see they have infographics here, meaning that you can use Piktochart to create infographics, you can use Piktochart to create presentation, and you can use Piktochart to create printable materials like posters, like flyers, and all of that. So but we'll focus on infographics in this video. So when you go to their infographics page, this is what you have. You have different templates here. If you want to use any of those templates, which is quite easier, you just have to select the template, you click on use template, and then you modify it um, to suit your purpose. Okay, but for the sake of this video tutorial, we will have to create from scratch so that we can go through everything step by step. Alright, so this is what the um, Piktochart infographics canvas, this is what the canvas looks like. So we will go through these tools here on the left side in this video, starting from the first one here, graphics. This graphics here helps you to insert graphical items. So the first one here, we have shapes and icons. Here you have different shapes and different icons. This, in my opinion, is one of the most important features of Piktochart, also to say of infographics, because this is where you insert the graphics that represent what you're trying to pass across. So for instance, if you passing information across that has to do with you're trying to represent facilities, health facilities, you can type in a keyword such as, let's say, clinic, and then here you see the different options. Or if you are talking about women of reproductive age, you can type in women, and then you see the different options of women. Now here, if you notice, you have some icons here are colored and some of them are just plain black and white. So this is the filter. If you click on this color, it shows you the icons that are colored, and here monochrome shows you the icons that have just one color, and that is black. The difference is these ones that have just one color, if you select them, you have the liberty to change the color. So you can come here and change the color to whatever color you want. But the ones that are already colored, you can't change their color. The color option is not here, so you cannot change the color. That's it about that. We'll get to that when we start designing. So here next you have the lines. So here you can add the line, any of these lines that you want, and after adding the line you can modify it right here, maybe to make the solid line or dotted line, as you please. Here you can use this one to insert photos, so there are already different preloaded photos here. You can select any one of them as you want, and then here you can select a photo frame as well. And just in case you have something else that is not preloaded on the software, you can use this tool here, or this button, to upload it. So you can upload your logo, you can upload any other thing that you want to upload. And then here you have the background. With this, you can select it, you can change the color background, or the background color rather, um, there are different patterns here. You can select any one of these, and if you want a plain background, you can just come here and change the color and select the color. If the color you prefer is not part of the ones listed here, you can click on this button and then uh, move this button around to get the particular color that you want, and there you go. And then colors have code. This particular code is the code for this color I've selected right here. Just in case you have a particular color in mind and you can't particularly move the icon to the specific um, point where the color is, but you know the color code, you can come here and insert the color code. So how do you know color codes? How do you generate color codes? If you Google color codes, um, I hope it loads quickly enough. So there are websites that give you that option of choosing codes. Okay, so here we go. We have this rapidtables.com. Here you have different colors. So for instance, this is orange red, for instance. So if you want to use the orange red color, you can just copy the code FF4500, and then you come back to where you are, and then you can just paste it right here. So I did not insert the ash. Okay, so that's how this is the pepper red. Is it pepper red, or that's the orange red color? So that's it about background. And then this color trick and the color code applies to the text as well, not just the background, the text to icons that you can change the color. And it's not peculiar to Piktochart, it's a universal thing. You can use it in other applications as well. So here you have the text. You can select any of these to enter the text, type in your text, and then here you can modify the text. Here you have color scheme. This color scheme is not available in the free version, so you have to level up to the premium version to be able to use it. And then here you have the tools, which is the final one on the left side here. So as for these tools, the chart here helps you to represent your data in a chart format. So you have different chart types here that you can select, and then you have here an Excel like sheet where you can insert your data. And if you already have your data in an Excel sheet somewhere, you can click here to import it and create a chart. Okay, here you have the video. You can use this button to upload video from a URL. And then here finally you have the map. So with the map you can select a country or select states in the country. So let's do Nigeria. Right here there is this edit map button. So if you click on edit map, you can edit the map that way. So with this feature here, you can highlight different states in the country. So for instance, if you want to select the 5 round 2 states of TCI, for instance, you can this is where you can do it. So I'd like to change the map color to something like blue, for instance, and then come and highlight the state. So here we have Taraba. Let's do orange. I think orange comes bright, or comes clearly enough in the blue background. So here we have Plateau, we have Abia, we have Anambra, and we have Rivers. Okay, so here we have the states highlighted. Okay, unfortunately you cannot go lower than the national level. That means that you cannot select Taraba State, for instance, and try to highlight the local government in the state. For now, this is the level which the software can go. So with that, that's how that explains how to use the tools on the left side. of Piktochart. Okay, so thank you and see you in the next video.